update your profile online, TSC, which stands for Teachers Service Commission. Well, welcome to the SEEZ, where ideas, knowledge, and experience keeps you moving. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to update your profile on TSC Online. Do you know what? For you to update your profile, it is as simple as 1, 2, 3. What do you need? You need your ID, certificates, the university one, and this is my living secondary, and then this one actually is not that very much important. These are academic transcripts, your KRA certificate, a passport sized photo which is colored. I already have it in my gadget. And then after having all these, the requirement for certificates, you can provide at least 3 certificates, but not more than 4 certificates. And then after having all these, the next thing, you need to scan them because they should be in a PDF format. So what you're gonna do, if you can't access your printer in your phone or Android phone, the one that you are using, you can install an app called Cam Scanner. So install it inside your phone. So once you have it, you can use your camera to scan that, as I want to do it right now, as you are seeing. So let's go and scan them. So let me start by this. I'll be scanning it, and then let me scan them, and then have them in my phone. You can see it here, scanned, and then my certificates, the transcripts, I scan one by one using my Cam Scanner. You can see it very clear. That's what I want to do. And then you repeat for all your certificates, and then you merge them together. Some of the certificates will require you to merge them together, and this one is inclusive your passport. And then once you are done with all those, now head to the TSC portal, which is tsc.go.ke, and then browse and then go to online services, as I want to take you through a step by step. On the TSC portal, select online services, then update profile, and then input your details such as ID number, TSC number, and then surname as per the registration certificate, and lastly phone number. Then once you are done, click next. After filling all the required details, there will be a verification code that will be sent to your phone number. Input the code you receive on your phone and then click verify. If you click verify, it will take you to details that you already given. So we'll check and correct the incorrect ones. Here is my TSC number, ID number, other names, first name, surname, KRA PIN, religion, date of birth, gender, and then mobile number, nationality. It gives Jordan, but you can choose Kenyan, then home county, and then home sub-county, division, zone, constituency, About professional category, you can choose post-primary, primary ECD. Then education level, you can choose ECD, PTE, diploma, or degree. Mine is degree. And then scroll. Here now, you'll have to check on the address. If it is not correct, you can just change. Only if it is correct. And then the temporary or current address, and then next. On next, it will take you to academic qualifications. You'll have to upload your certificates now. So here, you can upload your academic details. So when uploading my certificates or documents, personally, I'll start with the tertiary, but you can start with primary, and then the institution name, the year that I was admitted in that institution until the last date that I left, then level, and then specialization. Then you have to indicate the certificate number, and then the certificate here, and then you upload that file. So once you are done, you save. So again, I want to upload the secondary certificate. Once I'm done with that, so I'll again select from the drop-down menu. Let me click on it. Yes. In the drop-down menu, and then I select secondary, and then institution name. From the year that I was admitted, the last year, levels, you'll select secondary, then specialization, KCSE, certificate number, year, and then you choose file, and then you save. So the minimum requirement is 3 certificates, at least 3. So if it is 2, even if you try to submit, it will not go. Even if you click next, you'll realize that it will tell you minimum requirement should be 3 certificates. And now again, I want to upload the primary one. So you see, if I click next, it won't go. So let me select. Let me add my primary certificate, and then the institution name. Let me type it. And then the year that I was admitted in that institution, and then the year that I left. You have to type correct details. From 2, and then level, that one I'll put module 1, and then specialization, I'll put KCPE, and then certificate number, it normally appears at the bottom of any certificate. You just copy it from there, and then certificate here, and then you choose file from the folder that you have saved it in your device, and then click save. So once there are 3, now you'll be good to go since you have met a minimum requirement. So you can click next for it to take you to the next page. So here you will have to provide, in this other page, you'll have to provide other documents such as affidavit. Affidavit is only applicable if you have any mismatch in your certificate names and ID. Now let me choose ID passport, but they should be in PDF format. And then you choose file, and then once done, you save. Save document. Yes. And then I'll select another one. Let me select KRA PIN. They're in PDF, and then details, and then I save. After uploading it, you upload from the folder that you saved them. The time that I told you, you have to scan them. Whether you are using a phone, or desktop or laptop, any can do. That one is done. And then let me select passport photo. Let me pick transcripts. So these transcripts are for your higher level studies, which are for university. And then description, then you upload file, and then you save. And now passport photo, it is done. So click next. In my case, I don't need an affidavit because all my details are correct. So here you will now have to fill your main subject details. I mean the subject that you are teaching. So the subjects, you'll have now to fill them here. So me, I teach ICT as my main subject, so I'll select that. And then the KCSE main subject grade, I scored it very well. And then the second subject details, which is mathematics, select it. And then the KCSE second subject grade, I also scored it well. And then the KCSE mean grade. So the total KCSE mean grade, you have to put there the exact mean grade. And then once done, you scroll downwards, then select other details. If you have ever been dismissed, you indicate there. Dismissal reasons. If you have ever been convicted, you indicate crime reasons. But in my case, both I know. So then you tick to confirm and to declare that the details you have provided are true and genuine. And then you save and finish. As simple as that. If you are receiving value from this video, please consider subscribing and then like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned, and then you can smash the notification bell below so that in case I upload any new video, you'll be the first person to get it and on time. Thank you so much. Be blessed.